Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have I shared the questions with you all? Lab assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
ଆଜି ଆମ ଆଉଟି ମ୍ୟାମଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାସ ହବ ନା ହବନି ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦିଅ।
Ma'am.
Yes. Just a minute. Yes.
Ma'am, ମୋର Eclipse ID ଟା ଖୋଲିଲା ପରେ ସେଟା ସେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ତାକୁ ରିଷ୍ଟୋର କଲା ବେଳକୁ ଯାଇକି ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ 1 2 ଆସୁଛି। ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ରିଷ୍ଟୋର ସେ ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ସ୍ପେସ୍ ରହୁଛି ସାର୍। କାହିଁକି ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ହଉଛି ଏଇଟା?
ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି। ଆଇଡି ଖୋଲିଲ, ଲଞ୍ଚ କଲନି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଲଞ୍ଚ କଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ରିଷ୍ଟୋର ଗୋଟେ ଅପସନ ଆସିବ, ରିଷ୍ଟୋର ସେଠି ରିଷ୍ଟୋର କଲା ବେଳକୁ ଯାଇକି ସବୁ ଆସୁଛି ସାର୍।
Okay, let me check. Okay, you share your window. We will check what is happening with you. Okay, and you start your programs lab assignment. I am just sharing the screen with you. Just a minute. I am sharing the screen with you. Now, is the screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you start doing up to which how many number of questions you have done? Have you completed question number 4?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 4 only till 4.
Yes, ma'am. 4. Yes, ma'am. 4 completed.
So that okay, go with question number 5. If you have completed question number 4, go to question number 5.
Question of 5 complete.
Complete the next question.
Some of us have already done the 5, but
Yes.
ma'am,
Those who have
only
completed
some-
question 4 and 5, go with question number 6. Yes. And today you are going to share your screen and I am going to check your questions, what you have done one by one, okay? I am going to check your programs, what you have done today. And those who have done in the copy. Yes, Gurman?
I have completed till question number 6.
6, then you do the rest of the questions?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not at home right now. I don't have my laptop also.
You do it in your copy. You do it in your copy, okay? You
Okay.
do it in the copy and pen.
Ma'am, is there any operator to use like convert the decimal into for like up to two places?
Operator to convert?
Ma'am, operators such that we can use that to convert this float like the if a number is like 8.04444 like up to six up to five places, then how can we make it to two places?
You need to round it up.
Ma'am, in the output, how can we?
Output it is possible. Okay, in order to print the only the up to two places value. You are
Yes,
asking
ma'am.
me that one, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That we have we need to use format specifiers. I will show you. Once you complete your assignment, I will let you know how you are going to do it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, like in the assignment, it is given in the question that the values are given, and the in sample it is given the values, and that is up to 4 digits. So, ma'am, that would halt.
It is going to. Could you just run the code and you check what you are getting, then we will do it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sibun, what are you asking?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sibun?
Ma'am,
Yes?
my Eclipse ID is a Eclipse ID.
Your screen?
Can I
Okay,
present?
you share your screen. Sibun, you share your screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question number
Yes.
11. Can you just check?
11. Which one? Assignment 2.
Assignment 2. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm not getting the answer as per the question given.
Okay, I'm just checking the question. Yes. I am just checking the question. Just I have to clear the Sibun's problem.
Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking right now.
My voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute. Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, can I share my screen?
You
For the
share
question
your
number
screen.
11. Yeah. Ma'am, can you see?
Just a minute. No, it is not visible. Yes. Yes, yes. Go to the programming part.
Yes, ma'am. This was the program.
Okay, here you have done divided by. What is the output here? Question 11.
As per the question.
1043. What you are obtaining?
1648.754 or something.
So let me check the question first. Write a Java program that reads an investment amount, annual interest, and here it is annual interest is given, right?
Just a minute.
This one. This one is the annual interest rate.
Yes.
Occurs.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm sure.
And here it is asking for which one?
Ma'am, I couldn't understand these.
It is asking for
Take it in percentage.
where is the program? You need to make small modification in the program. The
Where,
rate
ma'am?
divided by here you need to make the modification. Here the rate, here it is given, it is your annual interest rate. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you need to change it. Monthly, उसे monthly करो. Convert it to the monthly one. Just a minute.
Okay. By 12, I think. Into 12, no?
Into 12 होगा क्या?
Yes, को month. One minute, I just check. $1043. It's not.
Just a minute. Here your annual interest rate is given. Monthly interest, monthly payment. Here you need to do math.pow. Have you changed it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
I
it's
multiplied
3
it with
point. Okay, here into here. Okay, divided by 1200 करो. Make it rate. It is divided by 1200.
Okay.
Monthly interest rate. Here you need to divide it by 1200.
Yes, ma'am.
And वो 100 को हटाओ.
Okay.
Remove that 100 divided by 12. Remove that one. Now run the code.
Sorry.
Error is there.
What happened?
Bracket though. Put there is another bracket. Up to 1200 put another bracket. And now run the code.
Yes, ma'am. It's coming now.
Got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, stop sharing your screen.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question number 8.
Question number
8.
What is the question?
Ma'am, can you explain the question? Like I couldn't understand like how to execute it.
Here you just need to find the power. Here you need to, you are going to use math.pow. Okay. So math.pow, here the value of a here is 1 comma 2 and here 2 comma 3 and it is going to be printed in this form.
Okay, ma'am.
That 1, 2 will be user input, no? I mean,
Here A and B value, here A value, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we are going to do, not, it is not plus 1. Here A, you just write parental n. Okay, I am just opening my editor. Just a minute.
And ma'am, it is saying cast floating points into integer.
Yes.
And ma'am, the question is also saying cast floating points into integer.
Just a minute. I am checking the question. Into you can do it. Okay, I am just opening my editor. Just a minute. Lab assignment 2. Go to new. Here the class. Question 8. And if here we are not going to use scanner input also, it doesn't matter. We will do the code. Okay, I will show you. So here what is the question? Here first line we are going to show A, B and power. So here I am writing A, then I am providing a tab space, then B, and tab POW A, comma B. Now here, what is the next part we are going to print? Check whether I am getting the answer or not. A, then
because देशातले राष्ट्रीय बँक बिझनेस तारा डॉक्युमेंट पाहिजे जी काही त्याचं नाही काय नाही काय नाही 1062
math.pow A comma B, and here it is asked to make it integer. So typecast here as int.
नाही नाही 1060 that's 1060
We are getting the value.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what we are going to do?
no that's not
We have, oh sorry, instead of here, enter 1, then 2. Okay, so I am getting this value. What you are going to do in the next system, as we are not going to use any loop here. So in the next statement, what we are going to write, can anyone can tell me? What is the next value here? What is the next value of A?
2.
2. So how we can write here?
Plus 3.
No, we can use order of precedence. Sorry.
You can use it. Okay, in the simpler manner, I am telling it. One, two. Or here you can write A plus 1. Or B plus 1. It will not take. Okay, in this manner you can compute it. Okay, so do it is a simpler way. In other ways you can also do it. So this one is a simpler way where you can do it, and without also taking the scanner input also you can compute the values. So do question number 8.
Ma'am, without scanner use means with the command line.
You can directly go with A equals to 1 and B equals to 2 and you can do the program.
Okay.
मैम
Yes.
मैम ये 8 नंबर वाला क्वेश्चन में ये जो कास्ट फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट नंबर्स इनटू इंटीजर्स बोला है तो इसमें फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट कहाँ आता है मतलब हर नंबर तो इंटीजर है और इंटीजर के पावर इंटीजर लेंगे तो
देखो देखो math.pow here it will give you answer in terms of double value 1 2. So here what you are getting?
Yeah, double.
Float.
Okay, so it is saying that you need to cast it to which value?
Integer value.
Integer. So in order to convert it to integer, here I have written the explicit typecasting. Okay.
Okay.
Do it. Today I will check one by one programs.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, previous lab class I was absent, so I couldn't understand from question number 1.
Who is absent in the last class?
Ma'am, Swaraj Raul.
Raj. Okay. What is question number 1? This one. It is the simpler. Here we are going to take the scanner class. Here I will show you the first question and you are going to do in the next onwards. Okay. Just check it. As we are going to use scanner class, here what statement we are going to write? import.java.util.scanner. Okay. And here the class name, here you have taken as question number 1. Okay, because how you are going to create the class? src go to new class and here you are going to provide question 1. Click on public static void main. So before here, as we are going to use scanner class, we need to write import java.util.scanner. A scanner is present under the util package. So once we have imported the scanner class, here we need to create it. So scanner sc is equals to new scanner and within bracket here we are writing system.in. Okay, as we are going to take input type of value, so this sc variable it should be declared as system.in. So what is my question? Question kya hai? As we are going to take which value?
Celsius.
Degree
Yes,
in Celsius and we are going to convert it to Fahrenheit. Formula is already given to you. So in order to take the degree, here we are taking double Celsius, and we need to obtain the output in Fahrenheit. So I have declared the variable. So what we are going to take the input, it's given in your question. So here the sample one means here you need to write enter a degree in Celsius. So within double quote you need to write the statement. Then here Celsius is equals to SC dot next double. Okay, as you have declared the data type as double, you are going to write here next double. So Fahrenheit, here the formula is already given to you. So what is the formula? 9 by 5 is 1, and here you need to do in this way. So this one is formula 9 by 5 into Celsius plus 32. So here I can write in this manner 9 divided by 5.0 into 32 into Celsius plus 32. So I can write this one in this way. Okay, so what will be my output? So how the output is going to be displayed? So output is going to displayed in this way. So here 43 is nothing but my Celsius value that I have inputted plus again plus this is my Fahrenheit and plus. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when I am going to run the code, I will get the output in this order. In the console, it is asking enter the degree. So if I will enter 43, it is giving me 43 Celsius is 109 Fahrenheit. Okay. In this manner, you are going to do rest of the questions. These are the very simple. Here we are not using any loop statement, nothing else. Simple scanner input लेके बनाना है. So do the question. Yes.
मेरे लेवल में
System.out.print and println.
Print ले सकते हो. Println better you write println. Where you are having error?
मैडम मेरा इंपोर्ट जावा मतलब फर्स्ट लाइन में एरर आ रहा है.
Oh, so share your screen.
मैम ओके 1 मिनट.
Share your screen. Just a minute, I will ping you. Here you need to define a package. I think put the mouse on that cross mark. What is writing there?
Ma'am must declare a named package because the compilation unit is associated to the name module assignment 2.
Module assignment 2. Have you created? Okay, you are showing just put the mobile camera in a proper manner. Landscape, put it in the landscape order. Oh yeah, now it is all. No. Here I am not guess. It is not visible entirely to me. Go to the package part, package explorer. Go to the package explorer. Give a focus there because the things that is there, it is not visible to me. Yeah, okay, delete this module info.java. उसे delete करो. Module info. हाँ, right click there. Delete it. Okay, are you getting same error? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I also have that same problem.
Swaraj,
Error
you
is coming.
delete that. You delete that module info.java. If
Yes,
you
ma'am,
have created
deleted, but
it,
yes, ma'am, the cross sign is not going.
okay, you share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Share your screen. Let me check.
Yes. Settings. Ma'am,
Hmm. Yes, Swaraj, what is your problem? Swaraj, are you not able to share your screen?
no, ma'am, I am not able to share my screen.
There, you look here in the down here. It's icon coming. So you are presenting or here. You can share the screen.
Ma'am, here it is writing you are presenting.
Now share your screen. You
Yes,
click
ma'am.
on this present now. Click on present now.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, is it visible?
Ah, it is visible.
ये डीजे कौन सी
Excuse
गाने
me,
बजा
ma'am.
रहा है?
Is any problem occurs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Something washing machine type.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, some machine running type sound came. Then
DJ
Okay.
animal
sound.
spec.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, someone play DJ.
Ma'am, I think his presentation audio was on, that's why.
I think
It's
same
present.
problem. Okay, you do your program. So here I am sharing the screen. Is my screen is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में हम लोग कुछ रेंज ऐड नहीं कर सकते
Question number 8 में
कुछ रेंज ताकि डायरेक्टली 1 से 5 तक आउटपुट आ जाए एक बार
हाँ देख के करो no problem but here you can't use any loop okay
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, अगर
ओके मैम
yes yes what's your doubt
मैम जैसे हम लोग ए और बी का वैल्यू लिए और फिर वो आउटपुट आ रहा है, ऐसे ही मेरे को अगर सी डी ई या फिर बाकियों का लेना है 3 का, तो फिर कैसे करेंगे?
Question number 8.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 8. Without
Here,
using
without using
loop. While loop.
it is scanner class.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you can
मैम हम लूप
directly
क्यों नहीं यूज करेंगे?
A equals to 1 and B equals to 2. Yes, what you say, what you are
Okay,
asking?
okay, okay.
मैम लूप क्यों नहीं यूज करेंगे इसमें?
Loop, because you are in the assignment. Have you discussed anything regarding the loop?
No, ma'am, not yet.
So you are not going to use any loop. Okay. According to the question, you need to take answer. I know few of you know everything, but you should
हाँ तो
know.
इजी हो जाता है. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Alek is there? Or he left the meeting? Alek? Yes, you are there. So are you doing your program? Alek, are you doing your program? So lab classes are more crucial. So you try not to miss the lab classes and do the program. If you have any doubt, you can share the screen or you can ask me. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show me question number 7?
Question number 7, yes.
Ma'am, how to round off a decimal?
Yes, how to? I will tell you. Question number 7.
Is it correct?
Have you done it? Are you sharing
Yes,
your
ma'am.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 7. You got the output?
Yes, ma'am.
5.5. Take 5.5, run the code. Just a minute. Just a minute. Huh. 5.5, okay. Okay, it's correct. Okay, stop sharing.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am has left the meeting, I think.
This is some network issue.
Number 8 का आंसर भेजो.
भाई मैम ने तो बोला
don't
ना
smile.
वेट
Sanatan,
करने को.
हाँ.
don't smile.
Bye.
I audible to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think some network issue is there. It got disconnected. Just a minute. Is my screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Yes.
Your voice is echoing.
Ma'am, two of your
I am doing that one.
Ma'am, done question number 8.
Question 8. Okay. What about question 9 then?
Ma'am, your sound is coming with echo, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I think
Ma'am, you
again I am
can mute one of
disconnecting. I will
your phones.
reconnect it again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now is it correct? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question 8.
What is your doubt?
I'm putting input 1, 2, getting the output, but then I'm not getting.
What is your doubt? Sai Swarupa,
Ma'am,
what is your doubt?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that when I'm putting the values of A and B as 1 and 2, then I'm getting that 1. But then how can I put the second values?
In this manner, here, check it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, question 8. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And Pranav, you are asking to round off, right? Pranav?
Ma'am, I was asking.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was just telling to do the
Okay. Here, what is the output? Now, suppose here I am going to take a value.
मैम राउंड अप हम वो मैथ क्लास को लेकर कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ मैं बता रही हूँ, एक मिनट देखो. Now suppose here I am writing system.out.println 4.0 divided by 3.0. So here I will run the code. So what is the value here?
1.3333.
So I need to round it up to 4 decimal points. So here instead of println, if I am going to write printf, where is there? It's not a. So if I'm going to do round it off, so here I'm going to write value. Let here value is equals to then 4.0 divided by 3.0. Now here I will again run the code. So here how it is rounding it off?
Up to 3 places.
3 places. So you can do in this manner also. You can use the printf statement.
मैम इधर वो
मैम व्हाट printf denotes?
मैम स्ट्रिंग के अंदर वाला कमांड भी एग्जीक्यूट होगा.
Look here, printf statement, it is a method, it is provided by the system.out, okay, and here the first value in the parenthesis, now this value, it is the format string, okay, and it will specify how your output is going to display. As it is a floating point number, here it is written as, if I'm not going to write 0.3, now here %7. Now here it is which type of number? Floating point number. F symbolizes your floating point number. So when I am going to run this program, so here how I am going to get the value. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If here I am going to write is D, then ये कौन सा value हो जाएगा?
Int.
ये integer double में नहीं हो रहा है. D is for the double type. Sorry, D is for the integer type. Here some error is coming. Okay, so as it is a double value, it is a double value. Here we are getting the error. Okay, so for double, we need to write it's which one? F itself. So the floating point number. Now here, suppose here I am going to write 4 divided by 3, and here I am going to write %d. So here I am going to get in terms of integer. Okay, %d, it symbolizes your integer. Okay, and F, it symbolizes to your floating point numbers. Floating point, where double value is also coming under %f. If I want to round it up to a particular value, now here if I am going to run the code, as it is a floating point, f किसका value है? Floating point के लिए है, and here integer by integer, the result will be. My voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Is my voice is breaking?
Yes, not that much. Sometimes.
So if it is a integer by integer, the answer will be integer. If here I am writing f means f symbolizes your floating point number. So यहाँ पर क्या हो जा रहा है? Here we are getting some error messages. So if here I am going to write 4.0 divided by 3.0. Now again I will run the code. So I am getting the value, float value.
Yes, ma'am.
When we need 8 digit after decimal, means when we need the double.
8 digit after 8 digit?
Ma'am, 8 digit after decimal means when we extend to float to double, ma'am.
Float to double, I think it is LF. Okay. No error, it is not coming. It's L. You go with F. F, it is for the floating point number, and percentile D is for the what? Decimal value. It is not swinging up to 8 decimal places. It is not showing. You can go with this to F for the floating point number and percentile D for your decimal value. Okay, so if we are going to round it up, I need to write here 0.2. So it will round up to 2 decimal places. If I am going to write here 0.4, it will round up to 4 decimal places. Okay, in this manner you can get the
तो मैम
answer.
अगर 0.8 लिखते हैं तो 8 डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक आ सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं आएगा. 8 लिखोगे तो देखो आएगा 0.8. It will round up to the 8 decimal places. Okay, for double you are going to write for F. Okay.
अच्छा, तो फ्लोट का मतलब बाय डिफॉल्ट 6 डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक ही देता है.
हाँ, यहाँ पर 8 आया है ना. हाँ, फ्लोट का बाय डिफॉल्ट.
हाँ,
Yeah, as it is a format specifier, it is showing you. Okay. Using this printf statement, you can for this question, you can round it up to 4 decimal places.
Ma'am, can you show the answer of question number 8?
Question number 8.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, the question number 11, ma'am, I having a doubt. Ma'am, in that it is raised to the power or it is multiplied?
It is raised to the power. Number of years into 12. Here you need to write math.pow. Within math.pow, you need to write.
That I got. Ma'am, but using this to the power, it is not coming.
Okay, so let me check whether the formula is correct or not. Just a minute.
Sure, ma'am.
I am just checking the question again. Just a minute.
I mean, internet, it is given that future plan, it would be multiplied with the number of, I mean, year. It is multiplied, not raised.
Okay. Here, okay, just let me check the question. Okay, you multiplied it, and here in the monthly rate, you do one thing. What is 3.25 divided by, make it 1200. Okay.
Yes,
ma'am, it's compound
This
interest.
part.
It is okay, ma'am.
Compound interest future plan investment. Yes.
Yes, 3.25 divided by 1200.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in question number 7, there is a.
It is raised to the power number of years. Yes. Question number 7.
Yes, ma'am, there is 3 root 3 by 2. So we have to take only root 3 or the value of root 3.
You can take root 3. Math dot for root. You can write math dot sqrt.
Yes, yes.
Okay. You can write math dot sqrt, and within bracket you can write 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Into 3, and here divided by 2. Then into x into x.
Yes.
I am just sharing you with the questions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do the questions of the command line argument also.
You need to do the questions of this command line argument also. Let's first complete this much.
Ma'am, I completed that.
Okay, then go to the command line argument part.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm getting error in question 7.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm getting syntax error in question 7.
Share your screen. Share your screen. It is not visible. Try to focus the camera on the desktop or laptop you are using. You have stopped sharing, Yash?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Sanatan.
Ma'am, can you explain question number 8 once again? I can't understand anything.
Okay, here you are going to take the value of A and B. Okay, and here in the first println statement, what it is showing to you? Here 1 and again 2. So here A value is incremented and B plus 1, B equals to B equals to B plus 1. Okay, so if I'm going to do in this manner, so what is happening? And just a minute. Okay, now here, what is the value of A?
1.
A plus equals to 1 and B equals to 1. Then the system.out.println statement.
ओके
ओके
मैम हम इनपुट लिए बिना डायरेक्टली प्रोग्राम में ही लिख सकते हैं वो 1 2 3
you can without using the input statement you can directly write in the code. Okay, here no scanner class is needed. This part we don't need it.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And
11 question.
Yes, you're right. Directly initialize A equals to 1 and B equals to 2. I can write my code.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show one program on command line argument?
I will show it. Should I move to command line argument, all of you?
Ma'am, excuse me,
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
मैम क्वेश्चन 10 चल रहा है 11 चल रहा है
क्वेश्चन 10 का क्या हो गया?
अब मैम
आगे आगे तो वहीं पे चल रहा है आगे नहीं बढ़े उतना तक
Ma'am, question number 11 it should be multiplied, not raised to the power.
मैम आंसर आ रहा है 11th का बट एक प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है कि मैम वो 92 तक नहीं आ रहा है बहुत आगे जा रहा है उसको कैसे रोकना है मतलब सिर्फ 92 दो डेसिमल प्लेस तक कैसे डिस्प्ले
तुम रेज टू द पावर किए हो तो?
हाँ मैम आंसर आ रहा है एग्जैक्ट
आ गया है ना वो बताए ना वो प्रिंटफ स्टेटमेंट यूज करो.
मैम और एक बार बताइए वो मेरा एरर दिखा रहा है मतलब एरर नहीं दिखा रहा पर एग्जीक्यूशन के टाइम में आ रहा है.
In this manner system.out.printf यहाँ पर क्या लिखोगे? Just a minute. is here 0.2. Okay, and here you write the variable name, and here जहाँ पर तुम value accumulate किए हो ना, just write the variable name.
हाँ मैम, वो मैंने कॉमा के जगह प्लस दे दी थी इसीलिए।
कॉमा दे के लिखो। Okay. किसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 किसका रन नहीं हुआ है? शेयर योर स्क्रीन, शेयर योर स्क्रीन।
मैम थोड़ा फिर से दिखाएंगे वो वाला
कौन सा?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 11।
हाँ, क्वेश्चन 11।
मैम द प्रोग्राम
Program I have not done.
मैम मेरा आउटपुट अलग दिखा रहा है।
ओके
मैम अब मेरा आउटपुट अलग दिखा रहा है।
दिखा, शेयर करो, स्क्रीन शेयर करो, शेयर योर स्क्रीन।
First we have to find out. First we have to find out.
यहाँ पर क्या हो गया?
First we have to find out. Which sub variables are pushed to the stack?
Yes, Asutosh. What is your problem?
Yes, ma'am. My output is showing different.
78.5918 यहाँ पर कितना आया है आउटपुट?
And
5895. Yes, you got the answer, right? 583 point. Okay, here you have used math.sqrt. So for the decimal points, you are getting some different answer, right? 5895 and तुम्हारा कितना आ गया है? Just a minute.
581.
राउंड ऑफ हो गया है। 58 है, तुम्हारा 59 है। No problem. No problem. It is just round it up. As you have taken math.sqrt, उसके लिए थोड़ा इधर उधर हो रहा है। Okay?
वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर यूज कर सकते हैं।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में कौन सा ऑपरेटर?
इंक्रीमेंट।
हाँ, you can use it. Very good. You can use it. Okay. You use post increment.
Yes, ma'am.
You use your post increment, not pre increment. You use post increment. Then you don't have any kind of problem. Okay.
मैम क्वेश्चन में 1 से 5 तक का करना है तो 5 बार लिखें हम या लूप यूज कर लें?
Yes.
क्वेश्चन में 5 तक क्या है 1 2 3 4 5 तो हर बार इंक्रीमेंट करते जाए या लूप बना ले?
हाँ, इंक्रीमेंट कर लो, लूप नहीं लेना है। You increment it. Every time you need to increment it. Okay. You use post increment. Use post increment operator, yes, not pre increment.
Yes, ma'am.
Initialize a equals to 1, a equals to 1 and b equals to 2. Then in the first println statement, यहाँ पर you write in this way. Okay.
Yes.
Here 1 and 2 यहाँ पर post हो गया, delete आ गया. After the first statement, use the increment operator.
Let's say if we make condition into beta, double simple is scanning go right, or let's see this start variable, तो please start variable. अब ना because PDF ऐसा condition है कि वो block हो रहा, तो भी उसका feedback हो रहा, तो let's
Over, how many of you have completed up to question number 10? Raise your hand. Those who have completed up to question number 10.
I'm done in question number 13 and I was doing the first command line question.
Okay, first command line question number 13. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how many of you have completed question number up to 10? Very good. Very good. Bhumika? Bhumika? Bhumika, are you there? Vishal? Vishal, are you there? Deep? Deep? Ayushkant? Ayushkant?
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha? Aisha, are you there? How much you have done?
Question number 7.
Question 7. Deep? Deep, are you there? I will mark them absent. Vishal? Bhumika? Kamal, do you have any error problem?
No, ma'am, I've completed the questions.
Completed. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have to dial at 11. The result is not coming correct.
You shared your screen. Alek, have you done? Haris?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
I'm doing question number 11.
Okay, do it. Now, what is your error? Rate. Here, rate divided. Rate divided by 1200. Do rate divided by 1200.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Assis, completed? Kirti? Kirti Kiran? Kuljit?
Yes, ma'am.
Up to which question you have completed?
I am doing question number 9.
9, okay. Manish?
I'm sorry, ma'am, not having the system today.
In the copy you do it.
Yes, ma'am, doing.
Okay. Up to which question you have done?
M7.
Okay, do it. Manisha,
Yes, ma'am.
up to which question you have done?
I'm 7 doing, ma'am.
Yes?
I'm 7 doing.
7 doing. Okay. Mika? Nikita? Nikita
I'm
Mato?
doing the one.
Okay. Okay. Nilesh? Nilesh Ranjan? Nishikant? Yes? Okay. Pradipta Kumar Pradhan?
Seven doing.
Okay. Pralab? Pralab? Pranab Naik?
Yes, I'm doing question number
How
9.
much you have completed?
Ma'am,
Up to which question you have done?
from 8. I'm doing number 9 now.
Okay. Ravi
I'm doing 11 questions.
Okay. Ravi Kushaba, Ravin Patro. Ravin Patro. Okay, you note it down, write down in the chat box how much number of questions you have completed. Ravi,
Yes, ma'am.
how much you have done?
Ma'am, actually, I was unable to join the class at 10 a.m. because I had gone for doctor. That's why I have completed till 5th only.
Okay, you start doing right now.
Yes, ma'am.
In question number 10, we have to find out the distance between 3 points and then we calculate the area.
Yes. In question number 10, here you first find out the value for S, then you calculate the area.
Then when for side 1, side 2, side 3 also.
Yes, yes.
Very long. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sagar?
Ma'am,
8. Sai Swarupa?
Ma'am, doing 9.
Okay. Samriddhi? I'm doing 8. Sanatan?
I'm doing the question number 9.
9. Sanskar?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing question number 10.
Saswat?
Ma'am, up to 13 complete.
13 completed. I'm going to check it. Okay. Shivam? Shivam? Shivam
I'm doing
Srivastava.
13. I'm doing 13.
Okay. Subransu?
Yes, ma'am.
How much you have done?
I'm doing question number 13.
Okay. Shubham? Shubham Swain? It's not. Shubham. Sibun Manti? You are doing. Avisas?
Ma'am, my question number 9.
Ma'am, 10.
Okay. 7, 10. Saurabh Desmukh?
Yes, ma'am.
How much you have done?
In question number 10, I was doing.
10. Okay, I will check it. Today I am going to check it. Subham Acharya?
Ma'am, question number 9.
Subhas Mandal? Subhas Mandal?
Yes, ma'am.
Which question you have done?
Question number 10.
Sudhanshu?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm having some problem with question number 8.
Ma'am, there is error in my question number 9.
9. Ishkant, what is the problem?
I'm having some problem with question number 8.
Share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. One.
util डॉट स्टार होगा वहां पर. आयुष्कांत, just write java dot util dot star. Now run the code.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, stop sharing. Another one having the doubt, you share your screen.
Can you show me question number 9? Error is showing.
Yes, share your screen. One, two, here input में error आ रहा है तुम्हारा. Why you have written in this way?
Is it wrong?
It is wrong. There you write scanner SC. Here you are writing input. Change it. SC dot लिखो. Write SC dot.
SC dot.
Instead of that input, you write SC. SC dot. SC dot next float.
কমপ্লিট পিরিয়ডটা করে দিই যদি ইউ পোস্ট করছি 11 ঘন্টা পার্টে ফোকাস ইউ পোস্ট করব আর ঠিক করে এই পোস্ট করছি মানে
then also you are getting error. F capital float F should be capital.
सिनेरियो में 4 व्यक्ति सिनेरियो में देखो रूल 1 कहां पर F प्लान होता है और उसका सेजी क्या होता है लेट्स सोचो.
What are the coordinates? What are the coordinates?
Yeah, 1.5. 1.5 minus 3.4.
Minus 3.4.
Minus 3.4. 4.6. 5.
Minus 1.5.
4.65, then 9.5 minus 3.4.
No, can you say one second?
Yeah, just a minute. Enter the first coordinate and input the first coordinate 1.5 minus 3.4.
Same line.
Enter. Press enter. Minus 3.4. Enter. Then second coordinates. Input 4.6 and 4.6, enter. 5, enter. Then distance between the 2 points is this one. Which question you are doing? Question number
9.
Sorry, I have tell you the values for the 10. Okay, what is the distance here you are getting? Okay, input 1.5 minus 3.4. 1.5 minus 3.4. 4. Next one is 4. Enter 5. Distance is 8.76.
It is correct?
It's correct. Stop sharing.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 समझा दीजिए एक बार कैसे करना है लॉजिक.
Question 11. Okay, just a minute.
Hello?
Yes.
हाँ मतलब कॉल करना मैम माइक ऑन चलाना मत.
Question 11. Is my screen is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So question 11, I am doing it.
मैम ये जो क्वेश्चन 8 के हैं इसमें एक रॉन्ग है।
क्या हुआ?
ये जो पहले लाइन पे पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट नहीं होगा, नहीं तो आंसर नहीं आएगा, आउटपुट
हाँ नहीं आएगा, हाँ नहीं आएगा, उसे चेंज करना है।
हाँ
Question 11, you change it. I have written it, you change the code, okay?
I did it.
Here, import
मैम ये इंपोर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं हो रहा है।
क्या हुआ?
इंपोर्ट करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब जब भी मैं स्कैनर क्लास यूज कर रहा हूँ तो ऑटोमेटिकली इंपोर्ट हो जा रहा है।
हाँ तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, okay?
Yes,
if you don't need it, then don't write it. If it is working, okay? Now here, scanner SC is equals to system.in. And what is the next statement here? What we are going to input, investment amount.
अर्पिता Marucho, correct? Marucho, Asutosh, Adi Marucho are not in the class.
और क्या है? Rate of interest, it is already given, okay? And anyways, here it is asking for the rate of interest.
Krishna Tripathi, Saurabh Mishra, Jasmani, ओजी होना के लिए हो रहा है। कॉपी में लिखा होगा शेयर कर पाओगे तो अभी तो जितना मैंने डिक्टेट किया कॉपी में है वो रहना चाहिए। जब मैं शेयर करने के लिए बोलूंगा तो शेयर करना द रेस्ट 15 मिनट्स। आज जितना डिक्टेट था कॉपी में होना चाहिए तुम लोगों को। अगर अटेंडेंस चाहिए तो यू कुछ शेयर द नोट्स दैट आई हैव डिक्टेटेड नाउ। शुभम,
So what's the formula it is given? Future investment amount we need to find out. Okay, future.
ठीक है, कॉपी में लिखना जो मैंने डिक्टेट किया है हो गया है। प्रॉब्लम जो मैंने दिया सॉल्व किया। हाँ करो, क्योंकि मैं शेयर करने के लिए बोल रहा था। आई कैन टेक एनी नहीं, शेयर करना। स्नेहाशीष, सिद्धार्थ, ओके, so be ready with the copy, huh? Snapsis, Shruti, Snapsis, I think you are not in the class. Shruti, Satyam Rai, okay, then I will be ready with the copy, huh? You have to share later. Sampreet, Sampreet, Sally Modi, Punit, Priyanka,
मैम
Yes.
एनुअल इंटरेस्ट रेट जो है वो
it is fixed. We don't need to take it. Other as it is earlier, I have written it. Okay. Here you don't need to provide the rate value. It is already given. Here also we don't need it, but as it is asked, so I have writing it.
नो मैम आई आस्क्ड दैट उसका डाटा टाइप इंट ही रहेगा क्या?
हाँ हाँ रेंज तुम यहाँ फ्लोट भी ले सकते हो. I have taken here 3.5 we are putting ना. Here we will take it as float.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise we will get wrong answer. Okay. उसके बाद क्या है? Future investment is equals to I am making spelling wrong, right? ESP.
SSP.
Investment amount.
Debajuti. Deepavati. Relative all few ना लोगों का नाम बोला था कॉपी रेट था अभी मैं नाम बोलने वाला हूँ शेयर कॉपी belongs to
Amount into
वासुदेव
1 plus यहाँ पर क्या है? Number of years. Okay. बोल है ना? So here we need to write math.pow.
ऐसा हो
1 plus rate
अभिषेक साहू
रेट का क्या हो जाएगा ये?
तो प्रॉब्लम किसका हुआ?
Year into देखो तो टाइम पे ब्रैकेट इधर उधर हो गया है. Number of years into 12. Number of years into 12. Okay, tell me the amount here. Am I getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1032. So if I'm going to print up to 2 decimal point, so here I will write print F statement. Future investment is equals to percentile 0.2 F. Then comma. $1,000 here 3.25. Okay. Are you clear with this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's go to the next question. Do question number 12 and 13 quickly. We will go to command line argument.
मैम 10 का थोड़ा बता देंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 मैम.
Question 10. What is the question? क्या है? You just take the three sides of a triangle. Use first write a Java program that are going to input 3 points. Points input करो. Okay. Then using this formula find it out.
Okay. जब please say
Here side 1, side 2, side 3. Yes.
मैम जब कोऑर्डिनेट इनपुट करना है तो हम अलग अलग x1 y1 सबको अलग अलग इनपुट करें या एक साथ?
हाँ, तुम जैसे वो क्या था ना, एंटर द फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 इनपुट करो, एंटर द सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट x2 y2, एंटर द थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट x3 y3, उसके बाद साइड कंप्यूट करो a b c, कंप्यूट दिस वैल्यू. ओके, देन पुट इट इन द फॉर्मूला. सिंपल है, बनाओ.
अच्छा, यहाँ पर तो आपने देखा यहाँ पर 2 क्वेश्चन है, एक और
क्वेश्चन 10.
ये की है, इसे
Wait, right, I will help you.
स्टार्ट वेरिएबल के लिए स्टार्ट वेरिएबल. ओके, go ahead and go to अगर किसी को डाउट हो तो वेरिएबल सब देखिए.
Ma'am, in question 7, I used lang.math. Ma'am, it would be wrong or what?
In question 7?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem here? It is not coming math dot sqrt.
Ma'am, I didn't use mat.pow. I used lang.mat. That util package. Sorry, and package lang package.
And not needed. Okay. It's not needed.
I have already written in the practical, so I will do in mat.pow. I will remain it as it is.
जो भी वैसा रहना दो, remain as it is. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now do the cross check. We are left to right का cross check करो. A to 3 implies symbol A के लिए push करोगे. Okay, this symbol A again do the cross check of right to left. A to 3 concatenate this symbol के लिए pop करो और symbol. Okay, इस तरह से करना. A to 3 implies A concatenate with A to 3 concatenate with B. Then that will go to
मैम
Yes.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में जो हम लोग साइड निकालेंगे कोऑर्डिनेट्स की मदद से, उसे फॉर्मेट करना पड़ेगा?
नहीं चाहिए. We don't need it.
तो रिजल्टिंग जो आएगा उसको फॉर्मेट कर देंगे लास्ट में.
without the scanning of the symbol X7. Without the scanning of the symbol, it means X7. जबकि कोई symbol scanning नहीं होता, इनफैक्ट X7 the transition happens from one state to another state. Without scanning of the symbol, bracket में लिखो it means X7. Then will be no, and there will be no stack operation, and there will be no stack operation. And simple because scanning में होगा no push no pop operation. Okay, there will be no stack operation. Bracket में लिखो it means epsilon tends to epsilon. Epsilon tends to epsilon.
Question number 13. Okay.
Then, I पूछा हो ना. This type of transition will be. तो absolutely देखो तो what है? Then the consciously जाना. What type of transition will be? Upon after the पहले उसे टेस्ट करो मुझे. क्या होगा? साइकोलॉजिकल मटेरियल होगा ना? सोचो तुम एक स्टेट में जा रहे हो फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू टू स्टेट जिसमें
Ma'am, in question number 10, my answer is not coming.
Question number 10, you are not getting your answer. Share your screen.
A1 to tends to F7. This is the stage. Okay. सारा तुम्हारा वेरिएबल का फॉर्मेट इसी तरह से लिखोगे.
This, have you taken A as side 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Near it, B as side 2? And C as side 3? Have you taken in this way? This one is x1, y1. This one is your x2, y2. This one is your x3, y3. So, in order to compute the sides, how you are going to compute it?
Also has a CLG. Also has a contrast-free grammar or CLG.
Anyone?
Contrast-free grammar or
First, we find out the distance, sides of a rectangle.
हाँ, you need to find out distance. Distance का फॉर्मूला यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है.
Okay. So इसका मीनिंग क्या है?
Okay.
ये छोटा सा लिख रहा है.
Here.
ये कैसे होता है? पहले डॉलर पुश होता है.
Have you used this one?
डॉलर को
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here this one is side 1 means distance between x1, y1, x2, y2. Then when you need to compute the distance x1, y1, x3, y3. Then x2, y2, x3, y3. Then you are going to put in the formula. देखो. So your code. Share your screen.
हमारे इतने समय क्यों लिखते थे 1, 2, 3 स्टेज है फिर the CLG
Share your screen. तृप्तिमान
जो भी लिखोगे वेरिएबल देखो दो स्टेट के कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन के फॉर्मेट में लिखो एक के नीचे. ओके ये 1 टेंड्स टू x इसी तरह से स्टेट 2 एक 2 टेंड्स टू x
तृप्तिमान
स्टेट 3 एक 3 टेंड्स टू इसमें जितना भी स्टेट होगा तो इंडिविजुअली सबका CLG.
Okay. Yes, it is visible. Okay. Maximize it. Eclipse. X1, Y1.
This is the rule 1, 2. Now using this 3 rule.
यहाँ पे क्या किया? Just a minute. A plus B. And dot power 0.5. Okay. Next to y2, yes, it's correct.
हाँ वो ये जो तीनटा रोल है ये वो क्वेश्चन है तब तुम्हें एक तीनटा रोल 1 2 3 को नहीं कि तब ग्रामर हो इसका ग्रामर बना. हाँ
You do one thing, तृप्तिमान. Am I audible to you? हाँ, वो जो लास्ट लाइन है ना जहाँ पे लिखे हो s into s minus side 1 into s minus side 2 into s minus side 3, वो पूरे को एक ब्रैकेट में डाल दो तो. Put the entire thing in the bracket. हाँ, s के पहले एक ब्रैकेट दो. Then ये side 3 के बाद एक ब्रैकेट दो. Now run your code.
ट्रांजिशन एरो से कुछ लेना देना. ओके जिस इंडिविजुअल स्टेट का मतलब हर स्टेट का इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं.
Put first input as 1.5 minus 3.4. 1.5. Enter. Press enter. Okay, second coordinate. Now the second coordinate here is 4.65. 4.65.
Can you use the determinant form?
हाँ 4.65 enter. 4.65.
Ma'am, again the answer is not coming. The answer should be 33.6.
I'm using the point, we can use the determinant for them.
हाँ you can use it. ये side कैसे निकालना है? Side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. What you are getting 11.23. What is the answer here? 33.6. Have you taken minus 3.4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. वहां पर वो minus 3.4 नहीं है तो 1.5 then minus 3.4.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Okay. And next one, change of value. Second coordinate, again similarly, 4.65.
Yes, ma'am, it is coming now.
Now it is coming?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, stop sharing.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, I will move to the command line argument, I think. I'm doing the first question of command line argument. Okay. So, what's the question here? All of you completed up to question number 13?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you done?
No, ma'am,
Gurman,
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Gurman, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Question 10. गुरमान तुम्हारा कहाँ तक बन गया?
Yes, ma'am. 14 तक नहीं 13 तक 14 किए नहीं थे.
नहीं बना है.
फोर्टीन कर रहे थे फिर आप मना किए थे ना कि अभी मत स्टार्ट करो तो फिर नहीं किए.
और कितना का बाकी है? How many of you have left with the question 11, 12, 13? Just raise your hands.
हम 13
So, our question 10 doing. 11, 12, 13.
I'm doing 11.
11, okay. 13, okay. Okay, okay. So, what's the question number 14?
Let me proceed.
यहाँ पर math dot random numbers are there.
This is the complete one. When I attend the Google quiz, will be attended. We will go complete the share. दस्ता शेड्यूल दस्ता अटेंडेंस हो चुका है serial number title year 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 and months are लिखे थे year and month है date और year.
All of you done?
Serial number, year and month, title,
Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will show you how we are going to do with the command line argument. Is it visible? My screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to new. Here go to class. Question number. So I'm starting with the way how we are going to do with the command line argument. Now let here I'm going to take the integer value int a comma b. Now I'm going to take int sum is equals to, I'm not writing the code for question number 14. First understand how we are going to do question number, command line arguments. So in order to take the value for the integer a, क्या लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर? Integer a equals to integer dot parse int args 0. Okay. Similarly, for b, what I need to write here? B equals to integer dot parse int args 1. Okay. So what is the question here? System.out.println. Here we are going to write sum is equals to sum. So in order to run this question, go to the package explorer. Here question number 14. Then run as run configuration. So check what is the question number written here. Search for the question. It's question 14. Now question 14 is there. Go to the argument tab. So in the argument tab, input the value 2 and 3. Now click on the apply button, run. So what is the value here you are getting?
5.
5. So here what is the question here? What is the question here?
Evenly divides the
2 if it is even.
हाँ तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर बताओ? Can I take boolean value here?
Yes, ma'am.
Then boolean and यहाँ data type क्या होगा? Variable name. Result is equals to क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर बताओ? What here I am going to write?
A modulo B equals to 0 or B modulo A equals to 0.
Equals to
किसी का भी नाम दे सकते हो, मुझे शेयर करना आज का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर
zero then true, otherwise false. So here system.out.println.
Why there is question mark in line number 4? Line number 6.
Here it is a which type of operator? It is a which type of operator?
Conditional.
So if this statement is true, then true will be stored. Otherwise,
आइदर बोला है ए और बी बोला है तो हम और स्टेटमेंट नहीं लेंगे
हाँ और स्टेटमेंट ले सकते हो यू कैन टेक और स्टेटमेंट
ओके मैम
okay you can take or statement so I am showing you one way you can do with other ways okay so using or operator also you can do it so here कहाँ गया run as run configuration our question is 14 now run the code so here what is the result false so we can also write it as A divides B Okay, do the next question. Do the next question. यहाँ पर और ले लो to take here or operator also. Okay, A divides B or B divides A. Similarly, go with the question number 15. It's already 12 o'clock. Okay, again we are going to do the next part in the next lab. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.